Understanding, the lights went out, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations, movies, or books. The lights went out. This phrase can be a bit confusing for English learners, so let's break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the literal meaning, but also how it can be used metaphorically. Stay tuned. When someone says, "The lights went out," they are usually referring to a situation where electricity has been cut off in a place, causing all the electric lights to suddenly turn off. This can happen due to various reasons like a power outage, an electrical fault, or the flipping of a circuit breaker. It's a straightforward explanation that ties back to the functionality of electric lights and electricity. Interestingly, "the lights went out" can also be used metaphorically to describe situations that aren't about electricity at all. For example, it can signify the end of an event or period in time, like saying, "When the final whistle blew, the lights went out on our championship hopes." Here, it's used to convey a sense of finality or conclusion, often with a negative or somber tone. Another metaphorical use can be to describe a loss of consciousness or fainting, as in, "The last thing I remember was feeling dizzy, and then the lights went out." In this context, it vividly captures the moment of losing awareness, as if everything suddenly goes dark. Let's look at how you can incorporate "the lights went out" into sentences to practice both its literal and metaphorical meanings. Literal: during the storm last night, the lights went out for several hours. Metaphorical: event, period end, after the company declared bankruptcy, it felt like the lights went out on an era. Metaphorical: loss of consciousness, he hit his head hard during the fall, and the lights went out. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "the lights went out," and how it's used in English. Remember, understanding the context in which a phrase is used can greatly help in grasping its meaning. Whether it's a literal blackout or a figurative expression of ending and loss, you're now equipped to understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.